This one is especially for my fellow KVites, as we call it these days. People who are like me, proud flag bearers of the legacy of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. And I couldn't think of any better way of celebrating World Music Day today. So I thought, this is the best way to what in essence what the World Music Day means to me. It's very similar in terms of the kind of value system that was instilled in me by the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan system. It's being a KVite, you by default grow into a multicultural environment. You grow up with a sense of one nation. To us, it has never been an alien concept that Northeast has 8 states, then 7 states. When we back then when we were in school, that Southern India has 4 states with different culture, different language, different food. And we were used to, our dads getting transferred in between sessions. So it was very common for us to invite new classmates almost around the year. And, for lunch, for us, lunch was like, an introduction to the different kinds of cuisine India has. So, we would have theplas, and we would have dosas, and we would have bread, and we would have momos, you name it. So, we sort of, the food range from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Nagaland to Gujarat. That was our introduction to what our nation is, the whole concept of diversity, the concept of being able to appreciate different cultures, the differences, celebrating them. We sort of grew up into it. I mean, nobody, really sat us down to teach these things to us. It just came naturally. I mean, we had the brigadier's daughter, probably, and an orderly's son. We were it to us, we were not even aware, we were totally oblivious to it. For us, we were classmates, we were friends. And so we would celebrate Eid, we would celebrate Durga Puja, we would celebrate Navratri, we would celebrate Christmas and New Year in school, as well as in our cantonment neighborhoods. And special days in schools would be, say for example, even before coming to special days, like for us, any day. I do not know. I finished school in '94. I do not know what happens now. I'm not really very clued into it, but typically, our morning assembly would start with Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. And of course, we would end with the national anthem. And we will march to our classes with songs like, on drum beats, songs like बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो उठा कदम झुके नहीं कोई तो शख्स रुके नहीं यहाँ रुकना ही अनीत है बढ़े चलो 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 बढ़े चलो. And then the reason I was the very reason why I thought that, to me, World Music Day, the whole celebrating the plurality, for when as kids, special events in school for us would be something like, it depended on which state our dads were posted in at that point in time, and the music teacher in that school, which region she or he belonged to, based on which we would pick up songs. For us, they were all our languages. We were just learning new things. We were just learning music. We were just going by the tune. So I could sing. आता उठ भुसारे रान, आता पेट भुसारे रान, शेतकऱ्यांच्या राज्यासाठी लाव पराला प्राण. From Gujarat to हाय तेरी रुमाला, हाय तेरी रुमाला गुलाबी मुखड़ी, कैबल छांजी रे नाके के नथुनी, ओ तेरी कैबल छांजी रे नाके के नथुनी, हाय तेरी रुमाला. From Nepal. Or I would sing, I mean, whatever my teacher taught me. So it was like, oh, let me see. Okay. Singi kanene yenkuda vanji kanene, singi kanene yenkuda vanji kanene. Or Bhanushinghir Padaboli, which I happen to know by heart just because I performed it in school and I learnt it in school. So that's Rabindranath Tagore. And so I mean, I can't really, I mean, I feel so thankful that I had the opportunity to grow up like this, with this kind of exposure and this kind of acceptance. And I take this opportunity today. I mean, maybe I should have done it long time back, but never too late, I guess. I would really take this opportunity to thank the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for making me who I am, a proud Indian. I believe, and we all, most of us who've grown up like this, and of course a lot of us otherwise also, we stand proud as Indians, and that is our identity first, before belonging to, some state, some particular culture, some particular religion, some particular caste. We are Indians. That is our identity. When we go out, step out of our country, that is what is our identity. And thank you, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, for making me into a proud Indian that I so cherish and I'm so proud of. And here goes out a special shout out for, I mean, I don't know, there were so many people who we are connected on Facebook. I don't know how we managed, considering that we were growing up in schools, and then every 2-3 years our dads would get transferred, and there weren't any mobile phones, or phones for that matter, emails in those days, but we stayed in touch. A lot of us are on Facebook now. And Pitambar, here goes one out for you. Thank you for introducing me to Momo. Ranjana, thank you. Otherwise, I wouldn't know what a Kumaon girl can achieve and what's punk. Anita, thank you for the picture that you sent me from our class 9. That is what actually brought down this memory, and I brought about this memory, and I thought, let me do this. Thank you so much. And I still remember and still miss the Gwarfali, and I still miss Auntie ka omelette and roti for the tiffins that we would always exchange. And so many of you who are on Facebook, thank you so much. And here's to everyone a very, very happy World Music Day. And may we all keep celebrating our differences and keep appreciating the variety each of us bring on board. Bye-bye.